Yo, what's going on, everybody? Lewis of the Way Your Kicks channel. I'm back again with the special unboxing of a shoe that I personally never thought I would actually have here on the channel, but the colorway caught my eye and I said, you know what, I really like these. Let me go ahead and try to cop them, and I did. And let me bring you guys a review here on the channel. But before we get into anything, man, take a look at this box real quick. I've never actually had a pair of these in hand. Yes, sir. We got the book ones. You see the chapter one label on here reads book one, white varsity, red varsity blue. And yeah, there's the label for you, size 12. Now, where did I get these from? Well, somewhere is where I got them from. Now, the reason why I'm showing you this card is not because they handed me the thank you card, which is actually pretty dope, but I'm showing you this because check that address out. Now, this location is actually going to be one of the spots that are getting the Bread 85 highs. So if you live in the DC metro area, go ahead, stop into the store, try to make some friends, and hopefully you'll have a better opportunity to go ahead and cop these damn near impossible kicks. But that's not what we're here for. We're here for these. It's just regular white tissue paper in there. You go ahead and pull the shoes out, and here you go, guys. The Devin Booker ones in the Forrest Gump colorway. Now, if you guys don't know about Forrest Gump, it is a classic movie. The main character in there was played by Tom Hanks himself, and he had a pair of Nike Cortezes in the same style colorway, guys. And yeah, I mean, you can go find out more about that movie on your own. But yes, sir, the Forrest Gump colorway. Look at it, all white leather all the way around. And I gotta say, the leather quality on here is actually really nice. You got a giant swoosh on there, red swoosh, nylon swoosh, all the way around the shoe. On the back tab there, you got a leather red patch, and you got Nike and the swoosh there written in white. All white laces in the shoe, and then coming around the lace line, you see these little perforated teeth or whatever that go around. Now, some people like them, some people had a problem with them. Doesn't necessarily do anything for me in terms of not liking the shoe is concerned. Top of the tongue tag there, you do have book with the Nike swoosh written in red. Taking a look here at the midsole, you do have blue and mainly white all around the midsole. And then take a look at that outsole, guys. Yeah, that herringbone outsole, which is actually reminiscent of what's on the bottom of a pair of Nike Cortezes. Here inside the sock liner, it's all white, and you can see though there is a barcode written in there. Now, each one of those numbers actually represents something in Devin Booker's life, and I'm gonna give it to you here in just a second. So real quick, the 001 is his jersey number. 616 is the area code of Grand Rapids, Michigan, which is where he grew up. 228 is the area code of Moss Point, Mississippi, where it is he went to high school. And then the 602 is an area code of Phoenix, Arizona, which is where he currently plays for the Phoenix Suns. And as you can see here, after that barcode, it is, oh, I just dropped the shoe. It's red down there on the bottom, but let me go ahead and get the right shoe out for you guys. And there's nothing necessarily that different, although the tongue here on the right shoe has Nike and the swoosh written on it. There's no barcode inside there, but you do have a Nike swoosh with what looks to be like a little type of asterisk or something like that. I'm not even necessarily sure what that's even supposed to mean, if it means anything. I'm not gonna go crazy trying to search around, because last time I did a video trying to search around for some information, I was damn near an hour through, and it just down the rabbit hole that led to nowhere. In any case though, the one thing I do have to point out about this, two things actually, is how thick this damn tongue is, because the tongue on here is thick. Pause. Also, if you take a look here around the sock liner area, I mean, that's actually very heavily padded. So I'm going to suspect, I've never had a pair of these OnFeet before, but I'm going to suspect these are super comfortable. But speaking of OnFeet, let me go ahead and give you that OnFeet visual, and then we'll close out the video. All right, so let me know what y'all think about the Devin Booker ones in the Forrest Gump colorway. I gotta say this though, as far as sizing is concerned, go true to size or even a half size up if you plan on ever picking up a pair. But I must say, these are definitely comfortable on feet and they are hugging your boy's feet. And I got a narrow foot, y'all, so definitely I would suggest if you want a little more toe room, you go a half size up here in this shoe. But let me know what you guys think overall about these, man. I really, really like these. Retail was $140, y'all, and good quality shoe. You can wear this off the court, obviously, and on the court for basketball, mainly. You know what I'm saying? But hey, I can't call it depending on what y'all want to do with them. Let me know down there in the comment section below. And please smash that like button for your boy. And if you're new to my channel, appreciate you being tapped in. Hit the subscriber button and click that notification bell so you can be notified every time I drop one of these videos. This is Lewis of the Wear Your Kicks channel, reminding you to be true, stay in the moment, and don't forget, every day's a great day to wear your kicks.